Welcome to Bloomy Wisdom YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create perfect full HD intro videos for free. Okay, let's start. First, let's check the Android application for video intro creating. I am using Video Ad King Android application. You can download this application from the Android Play Store. Also, I mentioned the download link in the description same. Now we'll check the application. What can we do? In this application has several kinds of video intro and thank you video templates. You can select one of them and edit. You can use your own logos and own text as per your choice to create the video. Download the template and tap to edit. In this free application, you can only save your video as low pixel rates, but we have a trick for purchase this application pro version without pay money. For that, you need to install another application to your Android smart device. It is Lucky Patron. I mentioned download link into the descriptions. Download the application and install it. Do you got any issues during the installation? Comment to this video and I will support you to solve it. Also, update the application custom patches like this video. Okay, now the application is done for the perfect use. Now we are going to modify the Video Ad King application for free purchases. Select the Video Ad King application and select the menu of patches. Next, select the Create Modified APK file. Now select the APK rebuild for an app in LVL emulation. In the patches list, put a tick on Support Patch for an app emulation reassembly DeX. Now click the button of Rebuild the app. Wait until end the process. OK, done. Now click the Go to File and select Reinstall. After successfully installed the application, go to the menu and open the Video Ad King application. Now you can purchase the Pro version for free. Click the setting button on the left top corner and tap the Get Pro button. Now select any plan from the list and select Continue. Now we'll open the message from Lucky Patrick. Put a tick on Save Purchase for Restore and tap Yes. Now the subscription was done and you can use the Pro version of Video Ad King application and you can save your videos as full HD. Thank you for watching my video. If you got any issue about this video, don't forget to comment. Also, if you are interested about this video, give a like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also, click the bell button for watching my new videos.